and welcome back to my channel. So as you probably saw on the title down below, we're gonna be doing organizing dash decluttering dash clean with me video, because I love watching these type of videos. Most people enjoy watching them too. Every time I watch one and I read the comments, they're like, oh, you inspired me to clean my house. So I hope that this inspires you. Don't forget to subscribe down below, like, share, and yeah, let's go right into the video. I have my printer here because yesterday I took it to my sister's house, so that's why it was there. I'm gonna put it back where it belongs. And then I have my purse, which I'll have to take back to my bedroom. And then here, he just left his lunch back here yesterday. And then some more mail that we always get, cards, credit cards that we don't want. And then this water bottle is mine that I just been drinking today. And then here, it's pretty organized. That I'm like a Latina mom that listens to salsa music or Mar Anthony, or I don't know, whoever sings salsa music when they're cleaning. So yeah. Okay guys, so the second area of my house that I'm going to be cleaning is the kitchen, as you see back here. This area gets really messy all the time because it's a small kitchen. I don't have pretty much counter space, so I don't have anywhere to put things. I try to organize the cabinets, but they get so messy all the time. And there are dishes to do because we eat a lot in this house. I eat a lot, my boyfriend eats a lot, and then everything gets messy. Right now, I'm gonna stop talking because I have to start this, and let's go right into it. You can see it's a different day because last time I was filming, my battery died, so I had to stop filming, but I did finish organizing the kitchen, cleaning it, and I want to show you the final result. Another corner that gets really messy all the time is the dining area, which this apartment is kind of like an open space. Like you have the living room right here, and then you just turn it around and it's the living room area, which is pretty small. So I want to clean this up because it always gets messy. I have to clean it up every single day. And then this thing, which is driving me crazy, is full. This is where we put the mail, but every single day we get mail from like credit cards and like the things, the ads that they send you and all that. I wish they wouldn't send so many papers because I throw them away. I try to reuse some of them, like for spray painting and like some DIYs, but most of the time I just throw them away. And then this is a gallery wall that I did a long time ago when I first moved in and we got the tables, the set. This set came separate, like we got everything from IKEA. So we got the table and then the shades. And the shirts come in different colors. And this legs, you can also choose the color that you want. The other thing that I always put on top of my table is this set that I also got from IKEA, oil and vinegar. Okay guys, as you can see today it's a different day. I got caught up with school and finals, so I haven't been able to finish this video, but I really wanted to tackle the mail area, which is really full and it's driving me crazy. So right now that's what we're doing. I have my scissors and I have the shredder machine to make it easier for me. This is everything we're gonna tackle today.